Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to use EMS to find room setups. So to start, you want to open the program, obviously. And the password and username are the same as you use for advancing events, PSTech. Once you're in EMS, you go to either Navigator if you know the specific number, or Book. It's the same type of thing for both. So I open Book here. This is what comes up. Right now it's set to Building Area Health Enhancement Center. We want to change it to the DUC if you're working the DUC. Otherwise, you can use other stuff for other events. The date will be listed across the top left corner here. The rooms are along the left, and the times are along the top. So we're going to pick an event. Let's just say we're working the dog drum line and we want to double check. So you can double click on that and this window pops up. This is all the details for that event. If you go over here, you can make sure you're selecting the right event, because if a group has multiple reservations, they all show up. And we're looking for 316, so we hit the little check and expand it. This shows us our inventory, what we're using. This tells you when the CSTs are scheduled to set it up, what they're setting up, how much the room costs, just setup notes for the custodial staff, and then our technicians will show up here. And if you want to see the attachment, make sure you have this selected, but you don't want to expand it. And along the top here it says attachments. If there's a number there, that means it has one. If there's no attachment, it means the room is as is set up. So if you see that you have an attachment, you can select it and hit View on the far right. This will open up Word or Acrobat, whatever it is. And this is our setup notes. It'll say what time it's supposed to be set up by. And yeah, this is just everything you might need to know. So if you ever do need to check on a room setup, this is how you would do it.